Talk to your 15-year-old self for 15 seconds while acting like your favorite movie character. Try to do an Amrish Puri because Mogambo
Nice.
Okay,
was one of
When you
Mogambo
were
talking to
15?
favorite when I was.
Oh, nice.
अरे 15-year-old करणवीर मल्होत्रा इतना स्ट्रेस मत ले लाइफ में सब ठीक हो जाएगा सब ठीक हो जाएगा मोगैम्बो खुश हुआ
When I see pictures of me when I was 15, जिस ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस से मैं वो कपड़े पहन के फोटोज क्लिक करती थी आई थिंक आई वुड टेल हर कि तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो नॉट फेयर इज इट
Yeah, I'm actually, that's the whole thing. I'm just gonna be my present self talking to 15-year-old कि correct, ज़्यादा stress मत ले, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है stress का. एक काम कर, क्रिप्टो करेंसी खरीद ले.
that is a good one.
What is your biggest insecurity? I think my Delhiness. I think sometimes it becomes too much. So and
Delhiness.
my Delhiness, yeah. There's a part of me which
द्वारका
is
निकल
very
आता
Delhi, and I try and be poised and very well mannered most of the time. But there are weak moments that I have where
So you're
my
saying Delhi people are not poised and well
no,
mannered?
Delhi people also have their weak moments, na. So yeah, like when my Delhi wala comes out, it's my biggest insecurity, especially when you're in a formal setting and
When you're in front of a Mumbai cop.
that's true.
I think for me, mentally, one of the things that I'm always worried about is if I'm in a situation जहाँ पे मैं बहुत overwhelmed हूँ या uncomfortable हूँ या anxious हूँ या nervous हूँ, I will not process what I'm saying. And a lot of times I've had moments where it's become very embarrassing for me because of the shit that I've said. So that is an insecurity. And I've learned that alcohol doesn't help. So I wouldn't recommend that. And physically, I sweat a lot. So my insecurity is just like pit patches. I'm always so worried about that. I'm very, very insecure of that.
My main insecurity is कि वेज खाना खत्म हो गया क्या खत्म ना हो जाए please because all non-vegetarians eventually
More of a
come.
fear.
It's a fear. It's absolute. Like मैं खाना कम पड़ जाएगा is my insecurity.
That's why Gaurav was always at the craft table when we were shooting.
Yeah.
See?
One compliment you find really hard to accept, that you're the tallest in the room. मुझे एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ हुआ है, where I have been the tallest in the room, and that's hard to accept.
जब तो बच्चों की birthday parties की.
Yeah, let's not talk about my height. But
No, but you are, Karan.
thank you. So yeah, that's really hard to accept and believe.
I think most compliments, any compliment.
Yeah, same.
I find it, and I want to work on that because I feel like I'm not being kind to myself when someone compliments me, and my immediate reaction is always ki, I didn't know, but like, I didn't know this. Like, I'll always find like some way to deflect it or some way to justify it to make it sense to me. I think I should just shut up and say thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think every compliment I find hard to accept.
It's absolutely the same thing. Yeah. Even my now it's come to a point where my wife scolds me like, dude,
Yeah.
I just said you look good. Just
say
accept
thank you.
it.
Yeah.
Say thanks.
Yeah.
You both look really good today, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
3 things that you do in love. I compliment a lot.
Thank you.
I would order their favorite cuisine, Chinese.
That's sweet.
I don't know how to cook. I wish I knew. Otherwise, I would have made it. But then I order because I know what the favorite place is. I become like I'm a hugger, so I like start hugging. That's my way of showing love and affection. On to you guys.
When I'm in love, मैं ऐसे बिछ जाती हूँ कि तू ही मेरा संसार है. Like in the beginning at least, I'm always that. Everything, I will do everything. I will write the letters. I will print pictures of ours, make collages, put it in a frame and give it to you. I will paint. I'm a terrible painter. I can't do art, but I will do it. I'll watch tutorials on YouTube and I'll do it. I'll think of presents. I'll cook for you. I will surprise you every now and then. Like I used to do this a lot with Prashank, where I used to actually go to his college and wait for him outside. Or when we started, both of us started working, मैं उसके ऑफिस के बाहर जाके रुकती थी. वो भी मेरे साथ ये करता था. तो मैं I will do everything.
Dil phank.
Yeah.
चोट लग जाए सामने वाले को जोर से ऐसे फेंकूंगी.
हाँ वही है. Fall and fall hard. That's what used to happen. And apart from that, I start like coming up with creative ways of letting the person know that, you know, like I'll make something, I'll create something, I'll write something.
Yeah.
So all that, yeah.
Effort.
Effort, yeah. And I feel that then that effort is worth it
Yeah.
because और क्या है फिर life
Yeah.
में?
What is a song that gives you instant comfort?
Can I say audiobooks? Because I don't listen to a lot of music. I will always go to an audiobook. I love that it immediately disconnects me from the world, and it's almost like it's just me. And there's one voice. So I don't really lean on music as much as I will on a book. Oh, I should name the book. Right now, what's giving me a lot of joy is the 5th part of A Court of Thorns and Roses, the final book.
Wow.
Most of the 80s music, yeah, I'm a sucker for that. And now, like, one song that it's not from the 80s, but it keeps coming is this Crazy by Gnarls Barkley.
Right.
Yeah, because I think it's a very, those lyrics have a lot of, like, they have a lot of gravity and thought behind it. So, yes.
I think any journey song, you know, anything which sounds really good when I'm driving. So a song that I always go back to is Dil Se Re, Dil Se Re, Dil Se Re, Dil to aakhir dil hai na, meethi si mushkil hai na, piya na piya, piya piya, piya na piya, Dil Se Re, ta 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 ta.
Shiva Mani also can.
अब वो horror आ गया बीच में. Spill the story behind this picture.
What picture is this?
It's our announcement.
Nice.
I remember Karan Johar had announced it. That was my memory of it.
Nah, it's I think all of ours. उस टाइम पे राघव सर के बाल भी लंबे थे.
हाँ, and I think he had cracked a joke.
He said, ये शो इतना डरावना है कि इसका डायरेक्टर का नाम ही राघव डर है. And I was like, वो मैं 4 साल से क्रैक कर रहा हूँ.
इससे पहले शूट करते थे तो रोज 12-12, 14-14 घंटे साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं सारे अपने शॉर्ट टी शर्ट्स में. तो इस टाइम पे पहली बार एवरीवन केम वेरी क्लीन अप. एक सेकंड डबल टेक रहे हैं गौरव.
आज भी ऐसा ही लग रहा था.
So in one scene I had to there was a glass casing and there was a weapon inside. So and वो इमरजेंसी के लिए वो हर जगह होता है. उसके साइड में एक छोटा सा हैमर होता है. आपको उस हैमर से वो कांच तोड़ना है और वेपन निकालना है. ये मुझे राघव सर ने बोला. ठीक है. और वो वेपन लेके मैंने भागना है. एंड मुझे बहुत स्पेसिफिकली बताया गया था कि प्राजक्ता ये एक ही शॉट करना है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Take the hammer, break the glass, remove the weapon, run. I have gone, I've taken the hammer, broken the glass, then I've put my hand inside to unlock the door for some reason. So I could open the box and remove the weapon. And Raghav was like, you can remove the weapon without opening the glass. That was the point of it. So then usko...
It's natural, but it's okay.
Yeah.
और जो तब तो बहुत हंसे थे. तो उस टाइम पे because we were running short of time and stuff like that, तो then Chang had to actually cheat shooting it in a way where आपको पता ना चले कि मैंने ये बेवकूफ़ी करी है जब मुझे वो निकालना था. Basic instructions.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.